Hello there. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple tip that I use to help me to judge the state of my disc pads using the brake reservoir or the brake canister. Now, how I would go about doing this, I would need to pull the bonnet of the motor vehicle and I would look for the brake reservoir. Once I locate the brake reservoir, I would actually look to see where the level of fluid was within the reservoir. What you need to know is that the reservoir has two indicators on it. It has a high level and it also has a low level. When the disc pads are new, the fluid, provided that there's no liquid in the system, will be at the high portion. As the brake pads wear, the fluid level within the system will fall, and so the fluid will fall to the low level. So anywhere in between the high and low basically gives an indication of the wear of the disc pads. So as the disc pads wear, the fluid level will also go down, and that can be used as a judge to determine the state of your disc pads, again provided that there's no leak within the system. This is a simple tip that you can use that will save you from removing the tires, pulling off the disc pads to see the state that they're in. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so.